Ever swallowed a pill and thought, one makes me feel sleepy and one makes me cough like a dog bark? Okay, every drug has a story. Some are villains and some are heroes. This is interesting, maths, and we will study about the secret life of drugs. 8. Boys actually sold heroin as a cough syrup for kids. They thought it was safe and non addictive. But can you imagine? Like you are going to the pharmacy for buying a cough syrup and you are coming back with that. That sounds crazy, okay? Right? That's why medicines keep changing. Why what we are studying today actually matters. Don't just memorize, humanize. Meet a captain, captopril. He is a hero of blood pressure, but he got one annoying sidekick, a dry cough. When you imagine drugs like this, their personalities and flaws, they actually stick in your brain. Stop vomiting facts for exams. Start learning their stories. It actually works. That's how you remember them. It actually counts. I know the late nights are hard. The coffee, the notes, and the feeling you will never remember it at all. That's right. You are not studying for the grades. You are studying for the day when the patient looks at you and trusts you with their life. Every drug you master today is a tool to save a life tomorrow. You have got this. If you want more drugs matchmaking and study hacks, let's subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's make medicine human again. See you in my next video and don't forget to share and like my video. Bye.